Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inputting 8-12 seed keywords that match products, competitors, use cases, and seasons. Once entered, immediately set the region and time range to the market you sell in. Make sure category filters match retail or shopping. Now compare 2 to 5 keywords to surface relative interest. You will see spikes and steady lines. Note rising queries and breakout labels. These are your immediate signals for demand and keyword expansion. Capture them now into a spreadsheet. Once you have comparative charts, normalize by comparing like-for-like time spans and synonyms to avoid misleading peaks. Then export the related queries and rising terms. Categorize each as transactional, informational, or navigational to predict purchase intent. Make sure to map seasonal patterns, holiday spikes versus steady evergreen interest. Next, cross-validate those signals with Google Shopping impressions and your site's search analytics. This confirms real-world conversion potential and helps prioritize which products to promote or stock up on. Now convert insights into actions. Build a prioritized product list, update ad bids and keywords, and schedule inventory buys for predicted peaks. Once done, set automated weekly checks of the same seed set to catch emerging interest early. Make sure to use alerts for breakout queries. If your trends data is flat or noisy, widen the region or extend the time window, and add longer tail or localized seed keywords to surface niche demand. This troubleshooting step usually reveals hidden momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.